Self-acceptance and self-realization are the two keys to move ahead in life and achieve success. Today, I'm going to share my story with you because I feel it may inspire many of you. So, just take you back in my childhood memories. I remember my mother used to tell me that I have learned walking at very early stage in my life, almost at the age of 7th month. But it has not lasted long because I met with the accident in which I have burnt my both the feet in fire, due to which I have to be stay away from this mother earth almost for 3 to 4 years. I have spent my life away from playground and my other activities, and on wheelchair. But yes, that has developed my interest in studies. Then my school days, I have been very good in my studies, and my teachers has definitely helped me to move ahead or progress in my studies. My parents always wanted me to study more. I remember in the 12th grade, during midterm exam, I have been affected very severely with malaria, and but that has been the instrumental or guiding force where I met my first mentor, Dr. Anil Pachnekar, who has been very much helpful and guided me in getting admission and becoming doctor, and then after that also to acquire all the skill set required for the clinical practice. So yes, all things were so good, everything was running well. I have become doctor, and finally I have become the backbone of my family, started earning well. But somehow then another things happen in my life, and I have met major traumatic accident which has broken my spine, and I have completely become dependent on my parents. My lower body completely stopped working for me, and medically it termed as paraplegia. To accepting self after achieving so many things, and accepting self again on back to the pavilion, it was too difficult. This has shattered me and my parents definitely, and somehow with that 15 days of post accident, I remember that when the pathological investigation has been done, it was diagnosed that I was anemic, my hemoglobin level was 8, my bones were osteoporotic, and I have to get blood transfusion, and that 11 bottles of blood has been transfused, which has created jaundice in me, then later on pneumonia, and all this process has extended my surgery. After 15 days, I have been gone through the 8 to 9 hour surgery. But yes, my neurologist or orthopedic has never assured me or my parents that I will regain, even I will be able to sit or stand on my own. And that has definitely demotivated me. I was thinking why I am alive then. But yes, post surgery I met with another angel, or the God has sent the person to me in the form of physiotherapist Dr. Sadashivam and his complete team. He has been very good in his work. At the same time, he was very good human being who has seen the potential in me and brought back my confidence in the form of meditational session which I have gone through. Sridhar Bhaiya used to come and give that meditation in which I have to just close my eyes and look within. It was very difficult to close eyes and just feel that my body, my back was completely giving me pricking sensation, but and it is always increased whenever I used to close my eyes. But yes, I have to face pain. When we learn to face pain, it definitely gives you a lot of courage. And yes, it's been a long journey. To cut it too short, even I have taken the help of psychiatrist, because post injury I have developed PTSD, which is called post traumatic stress disorder. and for that I feel that I have to take the help. I have taken few medications and few sessions of psychologist, which has definitely helped me to understand that yes, I have to accept myself. What I used to think, will people accept me, or what others will think about me? When I have started walking, it was wobbling steps, but yes, somehow I have regained, I have started accepted my self, and then yes, here I am today. I have joined my yoga classes. I have started working again. And today I am working with Kevaladham. It's been 8 to 9 years now. Connecting dots, definitely I have realized that all the obstacles just came in my life to teach me that lesson and to move ahead, or to understand that the potential is in me and not outside. Whatever work we need to do is to within and not external, and that's what I want you all to do and accept. Instead of trying to change others, or change circumstances, or change people, it's always better to look within, change yourself, and yes, that is the way to move ahead in life and achieve success. Lastly, I wanted to say two lines, that दौड़ में हार उनकी नहीं होती जो गिरते हैं, दौड़ में हार उनकी होती है जो गिर के फिर से दौड़ते नहीं.